Are you serious? Are you serious? Mike from around the world will be my guest tomorrow, Tuesday, and it will be powerful. The live broadcast, of course, is at 12 noon Eastern at my website at www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. This is a powerful week. I just had Avi Lipkin today, Mike from around the world tomorrow, and then Aaron Judke, a archaeologist who went in on the exploration finding Noah's Ark. He is featured in the documentary called Finding Noah. He and other archaeologists went to the top of Mount Ararat and found pieces of a boat, and they brought the wood back, parts of the wood back. It's being tested right now in two different college universities to see if it's gopher wood. He will be my guest on Wednesday, and he stars in a documentary film called Finding Noah. It's right now playing in select theaters across America. Now, also, Thursday, my guest will be Gil Brazard. We're going to talk about this new discovery in Chile of two planets that are on the edge of our solar system. Are they Planet X or Nibiru? And now this morning, I just did a video, check it out, where I found, I was sent to me, Mary of Los Angeles sent it to me, an article from 1983, Washington Post, where two NASA scientists had already said they had found this planet on the edge of the solar system, and they said it's bigger than Jupiter, and that it's literally Planet X. So we've known about this forever, then NASA goes dead quiet, and now it's back. What's going on? And you know, Gil Brazard, who's been studying this for about 12 years, who feels it might be the effects of this planet may be felt this year, where he said he's got breaking information. He said, I'm going to bring breaking news to your show on Thursday, Paul. What I'm going to announce Thursday will be breaking news. So you don't want to miss Thursday's broadcast with Gil Brazard. And then Sunday night, we'll have Russ Dizdar. And he's declared that the Black Awakening has begun, the rise of the antichrist. And he said at the San Bernardino shooting, he typed right on his Facebook page, the Black Awakening, it has begun, the rise of the antichrist. So tomorrow, Mike from around the world will be my guest, Tuesday at 12 noon Eastern. I have three topics I really want to talk to him about. Number one, I need to get his insight on the conflict between Russia and Turkey. What is all of the assets that are moving around? Ash Carter, the defense secretary. Why did President Obama go to the Pentagon today? What does all this mean? Are we on the brink? I mean, Russia just fired on a Turkish vessel in the Aegean Sea. Turkey shot down the Russian warplane 3 weeks ago and shot down their rescue helicopter. There's a war of words going on. Russia's moved some S-400 missile defense systems along the Syrian and Turkish border. Russia and Turkey have fought 12 different wars throughout the centuries. What does this all mean now? And I'm going to be asking about Planet X and this discovery. These researchers in the high-powered telescope there on the mountains of Chile say they see two planets on the edge of our solar system, and now I have these confirmations from 1983, and I'm just going to say, Mike, what do we know, and what is it? I mean, come on, let's come clean now. It's time to come clean. I want to get his take on Planet X or Nibiru tomorrow as well. And then the third subject I want to talk to Mike from around the world about is we have a record amount of earthquakes this year, over 6.0, and record volcanic eruptions. He said after the first wave of energy hit on August the 17th, he said as it was coming, if you see an uptick in earthquakes over 6 or volcanism or volcanic eruptions, then it means this first wave, which was only a ripple, is affecting the tectonic plates and affecting the earth drastically. And he said to me, wave number 2 is much bigger. My question is going to be, all right, Mike, when is wave 2? When is the second wave of energy coming toward the earth? And what should we expect this to mean? These three subjects, a whole lot more. Don't miss tomorrow's broadcast with Mike from around the world as my guest. Now, if you want to hear the Avi Lipkin interview, it's in 3 parts, and it's right here on this YouTube channel. Listen to all 3. It's unbelievable, the information that he brings out as it relates to ISIS, the Middle East, biblical prophecy, how it affects America. He even talks about, in part 1, he talks about Russia is leading the world. In part 2, ISIS will pour into all Western countries, and he himself is running for the Knesset in Israel. And part 3, America is collapsing. You want to check it out. It's on my YouTube channel right now. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 12 noon Eastern. Our guest is Mike from around the world. God bless.